Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through setting your shipping address in the Whatnot app. If you want to make sure your purchases are delivered to the right location without any issues, this video will show you exactly how to do it in a few simple. First, open the Whatnot app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the account icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see the addresses section and click on it. This is where you can add a new shipping address. Then enter your full name, street address, city, state, postal code, and country. It is very important to enter the information accurately to avoid any delivery issues. Double-check each field to ensure everything is correct. After filling in all your information, you can select the checkbox to set this address as your default shipping address. This ensures that all future purchases will automatically use this address unless you change it later. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm and store your shipping address. Once saved, your account will be updated and ready for smooth deliveries. Thanks for watching.